Good afternoon, YouTube. Here's Nick from Meticulous Motors again, and here for sale today we have this beautiful 2002 Lexus LS 430 sedan. Flagship luxury sedan for Toyota and Lexus. Just an absolute opulent ride. So smooth, so comfortable, great for long road trips, great for interstate driving. Comes with these nice, clear HID headlights. Comes with the 4.3 V8. Just one of the best motors coming out of Lexus. Just an awesome V8, plenty of power, plenty of long-term reliability. I mean, you can take this car 500,000 miles easily. Michelin tires all the way around to improve that ride and make sure it's smooth and luxurious. Comes with full power options, including windows, locks, mirrors, seats, and sunroof. Got a full leather interior, factory floor mats, ice-cold AC, original owner's manual, factory wheel lock, wood grain trim, upgraded navigation package. Also comes with dual heated front seats, multiple drive modes, keyless entry, charging port, pocket storage, 6-disc CD changer, cassette player, which is good because you can put auxiliary in the cassette. And then it has a couple of storage shelves in the center console armrest with a charger, as well as illuminated vanity mirrors, and then just your standard HomeLink, sunroof, map lighting, auto dimming rear view mirror, and sunglass storage. The little pockets fold out. All the interior is in great condition. This was before the 2007 and up cracked dash issues. They just made them a little bit better back then. So it comes with dual heated rear seats, fold down armrest, rear AC, rear charging port, leather still nice. And then it has its wood grain trim, all automatic up and down windows across all four corners. Looks good down this side, no issues. And then it even comes with the factory Lexus toolkit and Lexus first aid kit. And then it comes with a spare tire, tools, jack, a couple of trunk mats, cargo netting. But just a very spacious back seat. I mean, sitting back here is just very nice. It even comes with the power seat for the driver to adjust the seat for the rear passenger. But everything looks really nice back here. It even has those little foldable hooks. And then it has side impact airbags and also has power headrests, power seat belts. So if you push this button here, you're able to actuate the seat belt to go up and down, so you can adjust its position there. So very nice feature. And then 3 memory seat settings, the all automatic windows, the power locks, and then the power mirrors are here. And then it also has power folding mirrors. So we have it in auto, so when you turn the car off, they're folded up, as you can see there. And then it has this nice little pocket storage with a little light here, and fuel door, trunk release, and hood release all right there. The telescopic and tilt wheel are motorized through there, and it'll automatically remember the position, so they fold down, and then the mirrors fold out, and then this is fully functional with telescopic and up and down. Then we have automatic headlights, fog lights, interior illumination. 111,000 original miles, almost a full tank of gas. The screen has a little bit of haze and scratches on it just from age.
These light fixtures, the whole family.
Stereo sounds excellent, AC's ice cold, everything's properly working. And that V8 just revs up so nicely. So if you're looking for one of the most luxurious, luxury reliability sedans out on the market today, don't be fooled by the year. This car has the ability to go over 500,000 miles. It's one of the nicest rides out there on the used car market. It's the LS 430. You can find this beautiful 2002 Lexus LS 430 exclusively on our website, meticulousmotorsinc.com. Please rate and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Like or comment on any of our videos, because your feedback is much appreciated. I want to thank you for taking the time to watch this video today, and we will see you next time.